Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see SQL commands using where we're going to use the view topic. We are going to cover the view topic. So here we have got some questions regarding the queries. So to solve that we're going to go one by one. So the first one is create a view customer VU based on the customer ID, customer name from the customer table, and change the heading of city displayed as customer city and display the contents of the customer VU. So for that we have done is we'll go straight back to the PDF which we have actually made. So here actually we have written the questions here also, so there's no problem. So the query which we're going to use is create view name of the view name, customer VU. In it, what are the names that should be called upon? So customer ID, customer name, customer city, and these are going to be the values of as select. We are going to use the query. So as select customer ID, customer name, and city from the table customer 298. So all these customer ID, customer name, city are going to represent customer ID, customer name, and customer city of this respectively. So we can see the snapshot, so how it happened. So once we created the view here, it would say view created, and then we are going to select star from customer view to display all, and the following thing would be displayed. So the next one is select the view name and text from the user views data dictionary view. So the query is select view name from the user views. So we'll get hold of all the view names which are being executed and being saved in your database. So the snapshot is this. So select view name from user views. So all these stuffs has been produced. All these view names are present. The next one is using your customer view enter query to display all customer names and customer cities only. So as we have seen earlier, we have entered customer name, customer ID, and customer city in the original initial customer VU, but in this query we are going only to display the customer name and the customer city from the following view. So we will be using select customer name and customer city, whatever attributes we want to see from this view customer VU. So we have taken the snapshot and we have seen select star. Okay, select star from VU it is, and we can see it here. The select customer name and customer city from customer VU has been written. So here we can see select customer name, customer city, so only the customer name and the customer city would be displayed here. So the next one we're going to see is create a view name CA view where that contains the customer ID and the customer names and customer address for all customers in the city CA, and it would display the structure and the contents of the CA view. So create a view CA view as we're going to create a view name CA view as select customer ID, customer name, and customer address from the customer 298 table where customer 298 state is equal to CA. So we are going to get the following snapshot. So whichever customer name has state as CA, it would be displayed. The next one is customer 5. Question 5 is attempt to reassign Mary Smith to the city NT in the CA view, and check if the view is updatable, and if yes, check if the updation is reflected in the base table. So here we have seen create or replace view CA views as select customer ID, customer name, customer address, state from customer 298 where the customer 298 state is CA. After that we are going to use the update CA view where state is NT, where customer ID is 2. So whichever customer we are dealing with, we are going to change that following state value, and we are going to put it NT, and then we are going to see the stuff. So here we can see yeah, we can see select create or select, we have entered the following stuff. So we can see these two has been already there. So here we're going to give alter view CA modify. We are going to okay, we are going to update it. So you are going to use it update CA view. So using update we can change the value of a particular attribute given for following condition. So here we are going to use where customer ID is 2. So whichever customer ID is 2, its state is going to change into NT. So here it says that one row is updated. So we can see that select star from CA view. The next one, we can see only Richard Newman is there. And the following thing, we can see Henry Smith has been changed to NT. So when in the original table it has been changed. And yes, this is the fifth one. The sixth one is we'll just see the question. So we have to create a view to display a first view is create to display customer name, order ID and quantity. The second view is display the order ID, order date and the date of delivery, and the third view is with customer name, order ID and order date from V1 and V2. So the following we can see these are the following queries. So for the first view 1, we are going to create or replace view 1 as select customer 298, customer name customer 298, order ID order line 298, ordered quantity from an inner join. We are going to use the concept A union B union C, A intersect B intersect C. So in that order we are going to get the following answer. So actually we haven't got the snapshot, so we are going to run the following stuff. So we'll just run the following stuff here. So it is create and replace. We have actually made it. So for that we can use create or replace, or if you haven't created then you can just use the create one. So we'll enter and we are going to just check the we can see the following has been customer name, order ID and ordered quantity is present. The next one we are going to just execute the next one. So in that it has been we have to just show the order date, the order ID and the supplier date. So we'll just copy it and we'll just paste it. So we can see we can run it. Okay, so that is one thing. So since we have made it previously, so we cannot use create view. So in order to use that one, we are going to give create or replace view v2. So if there is present previously, then it's going to replace the following stuff. So we are going to give replace. So it has been created, so we'll just change the name and we can see the following stuff has been mentioned here. So this is another one. So the last one is to create a view 3, which is going to display the customer name, the order date and the order ID from both the view 1 and view 2. So we are going to check that one. We are again going to place the replace one. So create or replace view v3. So this has been done and we'll just press a 3 and we can see the following stuff has been shown: customer name, order date and order ID has been present. So that's it for this video. So in this video we learned how to use the view commands, what's the logic and the concept behind the views. So that's it for this video. So thank you for watching.